Hello, welcome to Nurseries in Petunia. We're potting up containers for summer colour now. Colour from May right through until well into October. We have a pot here, it's roughly around 35 centimetres across and around 40-45 centimetres deep. And we filled it with SWELL WELL compost. SWELL WELL compost is the best compost you can use. It's got 12 months slow release fertiliser and all the major and minor nutrients your plants need. If you use poor compost, you won't have much success. We settled in the middle of this pot, back a little bit from the middle, a nice princess lily. Now, princess lilies are wonderful. This is Astromiri Inticantia Sundance. There are a whole range of princess lilies in the web shop. Have a look. Flower from June until November non-stop, and will come back year after year. Height roughly around about 40 centimetres and about 40 centimetres across, and it'll spill around the back of the pot like that. We're going to put two plants then that would spill down over the front and flower from May until October. This Petunia Blueberry Star, and it's got dark purple flowers with a white stripe, almost a two-dye effect, you know. So out he comes out of his pot. I'm just going to put two of them in, and they're going to spill down that we won't even see the pot. So it'll spill down like that with non-stop flowers May until, last year they went until almost November time. So in they go. Settle in SWELL WELL compost. We'll also feed them a little bit of Sure Bloom just to keep them in good condition. That's our princess lily at the back, non-stop, June until November, and we'll come back year after year, and then two petunias, blueberry star at the front to spill out. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.